Time check now is 4:45 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. And so far this is the weather here. So it's nearly 5 p.m. So it's a little bit cloudy and I think it's gonna rain anytime soon. And look at that. So that's it's so windy. It's so windy the weather right now. A little bit of vlog for today because I didn't do any vlog since I'm busy with my niece at the hospital, so I didn't do any vlog yet. So for now, just sightseeing here in the rice field, and the weather is like that. It's a little bit cloudy here. Yeah, there. That's our house there. So a little bit cloudy like that. And the clouds are very dark. And it's gonna rain anytime soon. So the rice field doesn't have a water. So I think it's good for the rain to come down to water these plants. And I'm very tired and exhausted today. But it's okay. I'm gonna tour you a little bit here. So it's like this is like what date is today? So this is August. August. Yeah, August. Today is August already. So it's like August 20th. So August, September, October. So by October, first week of October, this is gonna be harvest na. In the first week of October, it's like there's gonna be like 40 days or 45 days to go before the harvesting. Yeah, that's the damage there. Oh my god, there's ants biting my my skin. Oh, this has a water on it. There's a water. So what I like here in the rice field is the fresh air. Look at that. It's a fresh air. Sorry if my video is a little bit dark right now. Maybe it's because of the weather. It's gonna rain or it's gonna rain later. So here is like eggplants. That's the silly there. Silly eggplants. So weather update like that. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of ants biting me. Lot of ants. I'm so tired and exhausted today, but let's have a tour and have walking for a while. Walking at the same time having a fresh air outside the house. It's kind of good. Look at the air right. Oh, that's fresh air right there. Yeah, it's clouds formation. A little bit dark. That's our house there. Dark. There's a goat. The goat eating the banana. Goat eating the banana. And we have a lots of coconuts. That's the goat there eating the banana. Banana. This is the eggplants, guys. The eggplants. A lot of eggplants actually. But they are not having any fruit yet. And here is the chili. Chili. One spicy. See the eggplant. Look at this, oh. It has fruits. It has fruits now. See? It has fruits already, and it has flowers. It has flowers. It has fruits already. Look at that. See? See? Fruits already. Yeah. Lots of flower na. Ito mayroon pa rin, oh. See this one? Yeah. It has flowers pa rin, oh. Flowers. But the other one is still, maliliit pa siya. Still very small. They're still very small. Oh, this eggplant has flowers now. See? It has flowers already. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, that's it for today. Bye everyone. Until the next time. Bye-bye.